You see her with another man. Your heart sinks. Thoughts race through your mind. Was I not good enough? Did she ever really care? The pain is real, but the truth is, this moment is an opportunity, not for revenge, not for self-destruction, but for growth, strength, and the kind of power only a stoic mind can harness. In the world of dating and relationships, loss is inevitable. Whether it's a breakup, rejection, or seeing someone you once loved move on, these moments challenge the very core of your emotional stability. But ancient Stoic wisdom teaches us that external events don't control us. Only our perception of them does. So, how should a man handle this situation? What does it mean when she's with someone else? And how do you turn this into a moment of power rather than weakness? Let's break it down. Lesson 1. You never owned her to begin with. One of the greatest misconceptions in modern relationships is possession. People believe that love equals ownership. But Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." She was never yours. She was never anyone's. She was a person who chose to spend time with you for a period of her life. Now she is making a different choice. Instead of seeing this as a betrayal, see it for what it truly is: a shift in circumstance that is beyond your control. Lesson 2. Pain is an opportunity for growth. Epictetus reminds us, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them." The pain you feel is not because she is with someone else. It is because of how you are interpreting that event. Are you seeing it as an attack on your worth? That's false. Are you believing it means you were never enough? That's a lie. Are you thinking this means you'll never find someone better? That's weakness talking. Instead, shift your focus. How can I use this pain to become stronger? Lesson 3. She was a chapter, not the whole book. Seneca taught that life is fleeting and that we must embrace change, not resist it. A relationship is like a chapter in your life. Some chapters are longer than others. Some end abruptly. But no matter what, the book continues. If she has moved on, then your story is still being written. It's time to ask yourself, am I clinging to a past chapter while the next one is waiting to be lived? Lesson 4. Indifference is power. A Stoic man does not chase. He does not beg. He does not try to win back what has already left. He moves forward. The moment you truly become indifferent to whether she is with you or someone else, you gain absolute power over yourself. This doesn't mean you stop caring about relationships. It means you only invest in what is real, what is mutual, and what aligns with your growth. What to do next? Control your emotions. Allow yourself to feel, but do not let emotions dictate your actions. Redirect your energy. Use this time to focus on self-improvement, fitness, mindset, and new goals. Avoid the trap of comparison. It does not matter who she is with. What matters is who you are becoming. Adopt a growth mindset. See this experience as necessary. The universe is redirecting you toward something better. Silence is strength. No angry messages, no desperate pleas. Absolute silence is the language of true power. If she is with someone else, let her be. This is not your loss. It is her choice. And more importantly, it is your opportunity to become stronger than ever before. The greatest revenge? Indifference. Success. Growth. The greatest power? Emotional mastery? The greatest lesson? You never needed her to be whole. Embrace the Stoic mindset. Let go, move forward, and become the man you were meant to be. Like, subscribe, and stay strong.